The budget concept. The budget is the master plan of government. It brings together estimates of anticipated revenues and proposed expenditures, implying the schedule of activities to be undertaken and the means of financing those activities. In the budget, fiscal policies are coordinated, and only in the budget can a more unified view of the financial direction which the government is going to be observed. Here are the advantages of budgeting. First is when we do budgeting, we can be sure of that action is based on study. Second, through budgeting, cooperation is secured in the entire organization. Through the budget process, policies are established. Also, programs of activities are related to expected or available resources and economic conditions. Through the budget process, balanced programs are developed. Coordinated effort is attained. The operations are controlled. Also, in the budgeting stage, weaknesses in the government are revealed. And lastly, and most important, waste are prevented. Now we'll go to the kinds of budget. As to nature, we have here the annual budget, the supplemental budget, and the special budget. The annual budget, it is a budget which covers a period of 1 year. It is the basis of an annual appropriation in the government. The supplemental budget, a budget which purports to supplemental or adjust a previous budget which is deemed to inadequate for the purpose for which is intended. The special budget, a budget of special in nature and submitted in a special forms on account of the fact that itemization are not adequately provided in the Appropriation Act or the amounts are not included in the Appropriation Act. Next is the kinds of budget as to bases. So we have here the performance budget and the line item budget. Performance budget. It is a budget emphasizing the programs or services conducted and based on functions, activities, and projects which focus on the attention upon the general character and nature of work to be done, upon services to be rendered rather than the things to be acquired such as personal services, supplies, and equipment. The line item budget. It is a budget which the basis of which are the objects and expenditures such as salaries and wages, traveling expenses, freight, supplies, materials, and equipments. Then, the budget as to approach and technique is the zero-based budgeting. It is a process which requires systematic consideration of all programs, projects, and activities with the use of the defined ranking procedures. In addition, we have here the other forms of budget. These are the regional budgeting and the long-term budget. Regional budgeting is a budget prepared consistent with the regional organization of the national government wherein the DBM identifies by region the expenditures of government agencies and releases of funds also on a regional basis. Lastly, the long-term budget. It is a budget prepared for 4 or 5-year period or longer. It is a longer range estimate of revenue and expenditures requirement.